special gift to our respected teachers from the school managing committee as well as from the principal and the mummy side to our respected teachers. I request to all the teachers to please be on the stage. There are some teachers still left out, so I request to all the teachers to be on the stage. The gift which we have, the gift which our school managing committee as well as principal, which they want to present are not so big. The prices are not so high, but the value with which they are going to give you the gift are a lot. The values of the particular gift are a lot, and then with love we are going to forward the principal, the managing committee. They are going to forward this gift with love and with the kind affection. So first of all, I will request our respected principal sir to please be on the stage, as he is on the stage. First of all, I will request our respected vice principal sir, Sir Thomas Singh, our school vice principal, to be on the stage to receive a small token of love from our school principal, along with school mommy. Thank you so much. On next, I will request our senior lecturer, Department of Geography, Madam Raseshwari, to be on the stage and to receive token of love from the principal sir and money. On the next, we would like to request our respected Senior Master, Department of IT, Sadeva, to be on the stage. Please give a big hand for our Sadeva, Senior Master, to be on the stage. Department of English, Madam Bala, to be on the stage and to receive the token of love from Principal Sir and money. Madam Bala. And on the next, I will again request our respected Madam Miss Chauba, Department of Energy, to receive the token of love from Principal Sir and money. I will request to go our respected Star Central, Department of Manipuri, Star Central, Department of Manipuri, to be on the stage and to receive a token of love from Principal Sir and yes, Star Central, Department of Manipuri. And next, I would like to call Jacob, Sir from Jacob, Department of Chemistry. Next, I will go Sir Peter Kanta, Department of Physics. Okay. Next, I would like to call one of the senior teacher, Miss Priyabala, Department of Military and Athletic. Talented teacher, Madam Kala, Department of History. I would like to call our Sir, Department of Computer Science, Sadamudro, to speak on the stage. Thank you very much, sir. And next, I would like to call our respected Miss Pinky, Department of Biology. Miss Pinky, Department of Biology. Dear students, I hope instead of shouting, kindly clap your hands. Please don't shout. Please don't shout. Please clap your hands only. Please don't shout. Only clapping. Only clapping. Next, I would like to call one of the gorgeous lady of our school, Miss Auntie Monica, to be on the stage. Next, we would like to invite one of the students' favorite teacher, Miss Ding Hai, to be on the stage. Please don't shout. Next is our one of the hardworking teachers, Madam Joyশ্রী, Department of Biology, to be on the stage. Thank you. And next, we have one of the respected and everyone's favorite, Miss Lumina, Department of Chemistry, to be on the stage. On next, I would like to call one of the handsome graduates of our school, Sir Vikas, to be on the stage. Sir Vikas. Next, we have respected Madam Dhanna Manjuri to be on the stage. On next, I would like to go one of the hard-working teacher, Sir Joy Prakash, Department of History. Okay. Sir Joy Prakash. Thank you. Next, I would like to call our Department of Physics teacher, respected Sir Lamjinda, to be on the stage. Thank you. Next, I would like to call our Department of Painting teacher, Sir Venus, to be on the stage. Sir Venus. Thank you. Okay, I would like to show. Okay, so we have Sajjoy Prakash, one of the handsome teacher of our school. Next, I would like to call one of the smart and evergreen teacher, our respected teachers of modern Sir Kavi Kanta, to be on the stage. Thank you. Next, I would like to call our new teacher, Sir Devakanta, Department of Science, to be on the stage. Sir Devakanta Latre, you might stay up. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to call our new teacher, Madam Jenita, Department of Science, to be on the stage. Thank you. Next again, I would like to call one of the senior teachers, Madam Bhani Sana, Madam Dear mothers, Roshni and Rosie, kindly distribute the sweets to the students. So your mom, Sita, mother, Anina, you are with the help of school house captain and house vice captain, house in charges, kindly distribute the sweets to the students. Next, I would like to call one of the senior teachers, Madam Muktabali, Department of Honorary, to be on the stage. Next, I would like to call our respected sister from school City Anurana Hobira Patayobi Patulichi, Madam Kimbala, to be on the stage. Madam Kimbala, to be on the stage. Thank you. Next, I would like to call one of the teachers, our student favorite, Madam Hosti, Department of Environmental Science. Next, I would like to call our respected Madam Department of English, Madam Amitra. to be on the stage. I would like to call one of the, I should say, smart and dressing and elegant teacher, Department of English, Madam Monibala, to be on the stage. One of your hardworking, Habak Punimakta, Ibn Punimakta, Azumati, Katin from Viva, Miss Haike, to be on the stage. Next, I would like to know about our Thabakya Sindhiri Sari dedication. One of the dedicated teacher, one of the dedicated teacher, and one of the very humble human being, Sir N.D. Professor, Department of Manipuri. Would you like to come up to me? A very kind-hearted teacher, a very simple and kind-hearted teacher, Sir Professor. Thank you. Next, I would like to call from our pre-primary teacher, Miss K1 teacher, Miss Benu, to be on the stage. Miss Benu. Next, I would like to call our nursery teacher, Miss Winkin Liu, to be on the stage. Miss Winkin Liu. Next, I would like to call Lalu, the teacher of KG2, our upper KG teacher is on the stage. Next, I would like to call one of the respected teacher, our Miss Librarian, Miss Nena, our library teacher, Miss Nena, to be on the stage. Thank you. Next, one of the youngest teacher, youngest housemaid, one of the small teacher, Department of English, Miss Olivia Kong, to be on the stage. And next, I would like to call one of the hard-working teacher, Sartova, to be on the stage. Sartova. Sartova, kindly come on the stage. Next, I would like to call our one of the smart teacher, Sir MCC instructor, Sir Arjun, Sir P.S. Arjun, to be on the stage. Thank you. And next, I will request our respected teacher from Warden, Sir Samananda, to be on the stage. Sir Samananda, the science teacher, to be on the stage. Thank you. Now, we are waiting for now 3 gorgeous ladies from our school hostel side. First of all, I would like to call our school nurse as well as warden, Miss Lucy Nobby, to be on the stage. I would like to call our sister, or we should say our female warden, Sister Ombalbi, to be on the stage. But not the least, I would like to call our respected Miss Lucy Point to be on the stage. Apart from
ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦꯍꯦ
ngasi nangkhoi mayamgi mangda nangkhoi patakpi tambiriba nangkhoi gi waja singda akhoi gi school gi side tagi yamna pikpa khudor macha amam tammi basi ngasi se kari namina